Today again guys, welcome again to another video. This time is topic natin is geometry, plane. Okay, so a triangle has a base of 20 cm and a height of 12 cm. Find the area. So ang area ng triangle is 1/2 base times height. Okay, dito parang imagine ninyo, this is a rectangle. So, ang area ba nito is area is equals to base times height. So, ang area ng triangle is kalahati. So, magiging siyang over 2. Paras nito. No? Kinalahati lang. Okay? So, direct sub lang ito. So, 1/2. What is the base? This is 20. And the height of 12. Okay? Area is 12 times 20 is 240 divided by 2, so the area is 120. So the answer is 120. Okay, ang unit niya is cm. Okay, cm pero area, so squared. Okay, don't forget the unit. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. See you on another video.